A, B, A, B, A, B, C. A, B, A, B, A, B, C. A, B, A, B, A, B, C. Now I know my ABCs. Oh, hello, Headmaster.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm teaching them the alphabet.
It goes like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Come along and sing with me.
I'll never remember that.
It's your job to remember.
How does it go again?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
That'll do.
No, it won't do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
That's a bit I'll struggle with. It's too much. What about this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's learn to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
We're doing counting, are we?
No.
What are we doing?
Alphabet.
Now repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
H, I, J, K, Emily, P. H, I, J, K, Emily, P.
You're saying Emily, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
It's wrong.
It's too fast.
It's got to be fast to rhyme.
Oh, it's got a rhyme.
Yes.
Oh, okay. What about A, B, F, C, J, L, G, E, K, I, O, P, H, I,
It's got to rhyme and be in the right order.
You're just picking on me now.
Now we'll go again. A, B, C, D. Eyes to me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
I want to go home.
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Q, R, S, T, U, V.
W, X.
W,
That bell's for me, not you. W, X, Y, and Z.
W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I know my ABC.
H, I, J, K,
Come along and sing with me.
Hey, kids, before we go, let's do nursery rhymes. Ba, 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 ba.